In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add a photo to your Apple ID profile. You can simply change your Apple ID profile photo in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On this page, tap onto the first option right here. On your Apple ID page, tap on the Edit button right here. You can either choose to take a photo or select a photo from your phone gallery. You can also tap on Browse to select a photo from your phone files. Select any photo and it will get added to your Apple ID profile. That's how easy it is to add or change profile photos of iPhone Apple ID. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.